Good morning and happy Friday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr with another look at that forecast. And, if you want to shine up that ride, this is not going to be the weekend to do it, with chances for rain in the forecast nearly every day associated with what's left of Francine kind of sitting and spinning around. And we do need the rain. Now, thankfully, you see all this severe drought along the parkways and in the Owensboro area. Everyone else here, moderate drought. The good news is we're probably going to erode some of this away because of all the rainfall that we are expecting today through the weekend, on the order of an inch or so, with higher amounts far southwest sections of the region, maybe 2, 3, or 4 inches. So that's certainly good news. It's not good news if you have plans or outdoor plans where it is going to rain. So off and on showers and heavier downpours today with those gusty winds, as that overall flow around Francine continues to push a lot of this moisture in our direction. You see some of those heavier downpours and gustier winds this afternoon and this evening as well. Maybe not the best night for high school football across these areas. Really could be fighting the rainfall as we go through tonight and into tomorrow as well. Some of that rain and shower chances certainly sticking around. So we'll see those periods of rain. Will be breezy. Winds could gust 20 to 30 miles an hour at times. You see highs and temperatures really held in check, especially you get west of Interstate 165, where they'll have more prolonged chances for rain and showers. Their temperatures could really be held in check west of Kentucky Lake. And then tonight, 60s for the most part for our temperatures. Then our attention turns to the early part of next week. We're watching the potential for another tropical system moving onshore near the Carolina coast, potentially. A lot could change here. Thankfully for us, this should stay far enough to the east where we don't see many impacts. We'll see about the overall cloud deck, but right now we are keeping things nice and quiet early next week, but it's something that we'll have to watch. But not the best of weekends with those on and off chances for rain and showers. The wind should subside, so not expecting a lot of gusty winds Saturday or Sunday. We really start to clear out by Monday. Maybe some extra clouds in here in that Tuesday or Wednesday time frame, but right now it's looking like, as I just said, the impacts from maybe that potential system should stay well to the east of the area.